Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay Pryor, and in today's video I will be showing y'all how to clean and charge y'all crystals. So let's get right into it. I forgot to mention that I will also be showing y'all my crystal collection and the different benefits that each of my crystals have. You will need a microfiber cloth, a bundle of sage, a lighter, your crystals, a bottle of spring water, and a jar, but if you don't have one, you can also use a bowl. The first thing you want to do is determine which crystals are water soluble and which ones are not. Then you want to separate them into their own groups. This will ensure that your crystals are being cleansed and charged properly. Here's a list of crystals that are water soluble. Please feel free to look up the name of your crystal and type in if it's water soluble or not in Google, and that'll also help you as well. While you cleanse your crystals, you're actually doing two steps in one. You're getting rid of any negative energy that may be attached, and you're also charging them. I'm going to go ahead and place my crystals inside, but as a quick tip, when you submerge your crystals into spring water, do it for no longer than 2 minutes, and always use room temperature water to avoid putting thermal stress on the crystals from hot or cold water. Now that they're placed inside and the 2-minute timer is going, I'm going to be very intentional with the words and phrases I'm going to say while they're being cleansed. Thank you, water, for purifying these crystals and helping them serve their purpose. I let go of any negative energy, allowing these crystals to renew and rejuvenate. May these crystals be filled with the vibrations of peace and positivity. I charge these crystals with their specific purpose to bring me luck, wealth, creativity, motivation, happiness, abundance, trust, love, peace, confidence, and wisdom. I'm going to go ahead and pour the water out and remove my crystals. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to cleansing this group of crystals. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my sage and my lighter. I like to sage my crystals separately for 30 seconds each. You can sage them together, but I choose to sage them separately to focus on that crystal specifically. When you sage your crystal, be very intent with the words and phrases you use while doing so. You can start off with a general phrase, then follow up with charging the crystal by setting positive intentions. For example, I have my onyx crystal here. Now I'm going to go ahead and start cleansing it. I release any negative energy stored within this crystal and welcome positive energy, allowing it to vibrate at its highest frequency. I charge this crystal with energy that wards off worries and fears. Now that this one is cleansed, I am going to go ahead and move on to the other crystals. Now that all of my crystals are cleansed, I will let y'all know which crystals I have and the purposes that they serve. This one right here is my Solidite stone. It attracts deep thinking and opens your third eye. This is my Pirate stone and it attracts abundance, luck, and confidence. This is my Onyx stone, and this stone is meant to be worn on the left side of the body. It also wards off worries and fears. This is my Labradorite stone. It connects you to your spirituality and imagination. This is my Moonstone, and it brings you harmonization and connects you more to your female intuition. This is my Jade stone. It attracts luck, wealth, and prosperity. This is my Carnelian stone. It attracts courage, creativity, and motivation. This is my Citrine stone. It attracts happiness, light, and abundance. This is my Rose Quartz stone. It attracts love, trust, and confidence. This is my Amethyst stone. It enhances your intuition, cleansing, and attracts peace. This is my Tiger's Eye stone. It is meant to be worn on the left side and it attracts protection, travel, and wisdom. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really do hope this information has been helpful to y'all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.